Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain if iPhone 16 and 16 Pro can charge your AirPods wirelessly. Here's the iPhone 16 and these are the AirPods, and when you place them on the back of your iPhone it doesn't charge wirelessly, but you can still charge them using reverse charging, but through a cable. So you'll need a cable that fits your iPhone as well as your AirPods. So in that case I'm gonna use USB-C on both ends cable, and one end can be plugged into the AirPods and the second end into the iPhone. And you can see that the AirPods have started charging. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.